love is in the air, because today we're celebrating Valentine's. And what do you most often give at Valentine's? Chocolate. So we are going to turn the delicious ingredient of chocolate into a beautiful, runny chocolate fondant. This is the sort of dessert that most people avoid doing. You can either end up with that gorgeously gooey centre, or it can firm up and just turn into a sponge pudding. But we're going to try and nail it for you today. One thing that you will need, or ideally so, is to get yourself these little chocolate ramekins. So these are just little like chocolate pot ramekins, dead easy to get hold of. We are also going to make sure that our oven is preheated all the way. No half heated ovens here, please, because that's going to make the biggest difference. 200 degrees. As you can see here, I have a bowl suspended over some hot water. Do not let the bowl be in contact with the hot water. And inside there we have 175 grams of dark chocolate. Proper dark chocolate. In a mixing bowl, you need to chuck in 25 grams of butter, just at room temperature because you want it to be softened, and 175 grams of caster sugar. And that is going to go straight in and start creaming it together until it's lovely and whipped, fluffy and light. What's your shape of your sugar? Meanwhile, I'm going to grab a bit of kitchen roll and we're going to grease up these chocolate pots. Levelling. Into your butter and sugar, we're going to crack in 1 egg at a time, totaling 2 eggs. 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Here we go. Now we do want to get a nice bit of air into this. Let's go in with our second egg. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Extract, not essence. We've had words about this. And I'm going to give the chocolate a little stir too. Oh, that's outrageous. Okay, we're going to add in 25 grams of flour, which seems like a really small amount. We'll just go with it. What we're working with. Lovely. And then we're going to go in with our chocolate. Now we don't want this to be piping hot. Yeah. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, I'm just going to finish it off with a quick pinch of salt. So we're going to fill up our moulds pretty much the whole way. Okay, and then the 4 of these are going to go into your preheated oven. Cannot stress enough how much your oven needs to be up to temperature, otherwise it can really throw your timings off. I'm going to put them in for 8 minutes. At 8 minutes, you want to be serving them pretty immediately. If you're not ready to use them now, then stick them in the refrigerator and add on an extra 1.5 minutes to your cooking time. Righty. Oy, moment of truth. Obviously what you can do is just eat them straight from the pot if you want to, but we are going to attempt to decant one. Okay. Yeah! Success. Oozy, squidgy, soft chocolate centre. Pure joy. Bit of cream, just to make it even more dirty. That is so luxurious and so naughty. I mean, if you haven't sealed the deal by the end of this, then there's no hope for you. Move on to the next one. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely beautiful. Guys, there it is. An easy peasy chocolate fondant recipe. Very few ingredients, very little time. It means that you can fully enjoy your evening. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Love and best wishes to you all in your conquest of finding the one. I hope you're having a magical day, and I shall see you very soon. Oh, subscribe. Oh, and leave a comment. Oh, and like it if you want. I'll see you next week. Bye. Snails. I'm eating a lot of chocolate today. This is when I'm supposed to stop.